那中国是一套扰乱咱台湾。即马美国众议院军委会有召开听证会，美国国防官员是对外表示，总讲中国封锁台湾将有可能会失败，但是直接要拍台湾要成功嘛真困难。那咱的军方嘛是时时咧备战，咱的陆军就伫屏东进行操演。
拍起直升机发射海上火箭甲电炮，为民警限陆军伫屏东保利山进行3天连用操演，抑个地面部队拍出榴弹炮甲迫炮轮番攻击。空军有2只 IDF 冲场演练联合作战能力，欠军事备咧翕相。最近杨基南一直交代国军战备，唔敢放轻松。这时阵，美国众议院军事委员会也开听证会，探讨如何强化甲台湾的军事合作。
We also need to reinforce capabilities of our allies in the region. If a Chinese invasion cannot be deterred, it will be catastrophic for Taiwan and the United States.
真济议员要求美国赶紧将军事航母运到台湾，才能协助台湾自卫能力。面对中国可能采取封锁行动，美国国防部印太事务助理部长瑞特纳指出，封锁会对经济造成真严重冲击，会强化国际对抗北京决心，这是严重误判。
PLA blockade, so it would likely not succeed, and it would be a huge risk of escalation for the PRC, where it would likely have to consider whether or not it was willing to ultimately start attacking commercial maritime vessels.
Very few beaches where you could land craft on, mountainous terrain, and a population that we believe that would be willing to fight. So there is absolutely nothing easy about a PLA invasion of Taiwan.
联合参谋部少将麦基也认为，封锁是一个无可能可能的选项。那强军要对于台湾发动正面两栖入侵，也是真困难。了地形条件以外，伊相信台湾人民愿意奋战到底，所以入侵台湾绝对无遐尼简单。记者综合报道。